Replacing a light bulb is a simple task. Unless you're concerned about your safety, even if you're a renter, there's no need to wait on a service appointment to replace a burnout light. For outdoor lights or those in hallways or other common areas, it may be best to alert property management. But for most lights inside your apartment, it should be a simple, easy job. Often the hardest part about replacing a light bulb is remembering to pick up the new bulb when you're at the store. It can also be a bit intimidating to choose the correct replacement while you're standing in the aisle. It's a good idea to bring the old bulb with you to make sure you're choosing the correct wattage and voltage. Apart from wattage and voltage, there are two main types of bulb to choose from for most replacements in apartments and homes: incandescent and compact fluorescent lamps, or CFL. Incandescent bulbs are still the most common, the clear glass and familiar bulb shape with a coiled tungsten filament running through the middle. While incandescent bulbs are typically cheaper, they only work for about 700 to 1,000 hours and aren't energy efficient. You may want to consider upgrading to compact fluorescent lamp or CFL bulbs. CFL bulbs, often labeled as energy efficient, are becoming more common and were designed to replace incandescent bulbs. CFL bulbs are the ones with the multiple tubular loops and filled with mercury. While they produce the same amount of light, they use less power and have a longer lifespan of up to 10,000 hours. As with any home project, safety should always come first. Light bulbs can easily shatter, and if the bulb is in a ceiling fan or otherwise high and slightly out of reach, you may need a step stool to safely change the bulb. Make sure you're standing on something that's solid and won't tip over. Also check to see that the light is turned off, either by unplugging the lamp or, in the case of ceiling or wall light, flicking the wall switch to off. If you have mobility issues, it may be best to ask someone for help or even submit a work order for your property management company to take care of. Once you have your replacement bulb and are safely prepped, replacing the bulb itself is easy. You'll just unscrew the old bulb by twisting it to the left, then place the new bulb in the socket by twisting it to the right. Check to make sure that the new bulb is working by turning it on again. While your property management is always willing to help and should be alerted if you don't feel safe doing the work yourself, there's no need to wait around for building maintenance for simple projects like changing a light bulb.